All right, Jeffrey, give her a go.
Try and play in between them, you know, playing off each other. But yeah, if you get shot, you gotta go back to respawn. The other teammates are still out there. Right. You can't always. Right.
That makes sense.
Worries them sometimes how much comes out.
Barely bigger.
They just look cooler.
That makes sense.
Here's red trim tool. Oh,
Oh, okay.
I just got it though.
This one yours or mine?
That one's yours.
Sorry.
But it would still work?
Yeah, no, okay, yeah, it's got, okay. I just want to make sure you all keep tools where they belong.
Camera down.
Yeah, I even engraved some of mine, so.
Jeff knocking cameras out here.
Oh, I knocked it down?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. That shit?
Maybe. You got any like regular WD-40?
Yes, I do.
That would be better if this was electrical.
I got you. I'm coming.
Or
The
like
clip
electrical
on
repair.
it is broken, it looks like, but
Oh, one of them might be actually, one of...
Oh, here.
Yeah, one of them might be. Here we go. Oh, I can't remember if it was one of these or not.
Yeah, I got it.
But I think one of the connections I had, like the clip broke on it.
yeah,
So I think I was just hoping that it just stayed.
they usually do. There's clips break a lot of times on these things.
Yeah, several of them have because they're just like that one right there. Whatever the knock sensor, whatever the fuck that is.
What? Oh, the next. That's that
Over
other.
there,
Oh,
like
back
it's
there.
covered in oil or whatever.
Oh, yeah,
I
on the
bet
bottom
that
there.
would be brittle as fuck.
I don't know what that one is. That's on the bottom of the transmission. Oh, it's probably your position sensor up here on your flywheel or your crankshaft.
Yeah.
No, set it right here.
Oh, okay.
Set it right. Oh.
If he's ready for it, then.
These will connect. I don't know which side these are. So, I mean, we'll figure it out.
Alright. Someone want to come under here and hang on to this thing while I unbolt it?
Okay, right there.
We're getting on the bottom one now. Here, pop it off. I can get you down there. If I have to tighten this one up from under here, I can, but it's a pain in the ass still. Let me hold you on. Yep, alright. Oh shit, that's tight.
You good?
Yep. Alright. Hold that there. Damn it, I wedged my wrench in here. There we are.
Are we?
I'm gonna tighten this other one up under here. And then we're gonna go back to that top one.
Are these yours?
Don't be a bitch. Alright, there we go.
Don't know if
Yep.
we're gonna need them, but
I was just making sure they weren't fine.
Feel pretty good?
yeah.
Cool. I'm good with it.
So that part is done.
Yep, the cats are basically done other than bolting up the O2 sensor.
Oh, you need to put.
So it just gives it some wiggle.
It allows it someplace to flex, basically, so if you have too much pressure or it tweaks wrong when you're turning the roller or something, it's just snapping your exhaust off. Not to where it's bent, but just where it gives it structural flex, you know? These are the places where it has a kind of working move, essentially. And then you said there were bolts for this it came with?
Yeah, they're,
right over here, I
they're
see
somewhere over there.
So this one's still a 14.
See one of them anyway.
14 and a 14.
I would leave them loose like that and just go as tight as you can by hand for now. And then once we get the rest of it mocked up, we'll be, you know, looking better there.
14. Do you
narrow
want
to
a
me.
wrench that's a 14?
I don't.
Yeah, it does.
Is there a 14 like wrench over there?
14 wrench, yeah, I got one
Right
too.
here.
Under, so
Jeff,
it's just
you
easier.
need it? 14 inch. There's two of them up
You need
by
it?
your head too.
TG?
9/16, it's the same. So.
You got it, or you want me to crank on it, or
No, I don't want to crank on it.
not crank on it, but just like try to tighten it a little.
I'm just trying to get them tight so that they support it.
Yep. So that doesn't matter on that. You have a tape measure?
Yes.
I just want to make sure there's no difference.
I like these flanges. They look like they're heavy duty.
You got the next one, Wes?
Yep. I'm not sure which end is which.
There's no hanger on this one?
No, not on that.
Okay.
So then
Oh, here's it. They go opposite directions. Hold up.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold up. That's not right. That's not right.
Figuring it out.
That's not right. Here's your hiccup. Hold up. There you go. Pop that out.
With the sway bar.
Go. Can you go over it? Yeah. And then.
Through and check this and adjust this hanger. Before we lower it, I want to start it and make sure there's no rattles and shit
Oh.
while it's up still.
You gotta make sure too that if it's on the ground, it's gonna be sitting slightly different.
Yeah, it is true.
So
We'll start it up and then we'll start it on the ground.
we'll check and see how close everything is. We'll see where we're at. We'll start it up like
We
that.
broke.
Alright, good go.
Very bro.
Yeah.
Go to a single axle swap. Hey, stop. So much tension.
That's why we're so productive, okay? Because we take our little breaks, you know?
Tyler,
Stay on track.
right here.
Did you put that ground back on there?
Yeah, it's not tight. Good call.
But it's there.
Does it stop? Does it just not?
Just put your backwards and put the turbos up on the front there, and I'll shoot the
Oh, dude,
exhaust
going to
straight
Data
out there.
Bob
Planning it.
yesterday or whatever day, dude, there was a Corvette, had no hood, and like I see this little round thing, and I was like,
Yep.
and like just the turbos sticking out of it.
Yeah.
If it sets immediately, and that's not even a like that's a hard fault.
Yeah, it never set immediately. It was always after like 30 minutes. Once it got up to operating temp, it was supposed to be reading this. I have. There's
Jeffrey, let me hear it.
those 333.
One more time, Jeff. I wasn't recording. An idiot. Yeah, you can smell it right here. It's weird smelling.
Yeah, I guess that's the best one.
Plastic. Yeah, it smells like brown plastic. Yeah, little pops. I was hearing the little pops in the garage.
I want to hear it all out, but I know he's not fucking.
No, he's not gonna do it.
No, I'm not saying here, he's not going to do it anymore.
He'll do it one day for us. I'll make him. Do him do it.
I'll get him to at work
Yeah.
next week when we're leaving.
Make sure you record
Go.
it because I need to hear it.
Yeah, get it on video.
I'll get him to do it down like 10 when we're pulling out of work. Like, take a pull.